He was supposed to pack for America. Instead, his body lies in a morgue in Mogadishu. I'm Dul Osman, and this is Somali Reports.
Abdirazak Abukar Mohammed was a rickshaw driver, one of thousands navigating Mogadishu's dangerous streets every day. Just a month ago, his life changed forever. He had won the U.S. Diversity Visa Lottery, a once-in-a-lifetime chance to start over with his pregnant wife. They were preparing for their U.S. visa interview in Bangkok. The interview was delayed because his wife was in the final month of pregnancy, and the interview was scheduled for February next year. Late last week, while driving his rickshaw, Abdirazak was shot and killed instantly, before he could even board a plane. His wife learned of his death through a phone call from someone else holding his phone. Now she's pregnant, grieving, and alone. His story comes as migration to the United States grows more uncertain, with Donald Trump imposing tougher immigration laws. For families like Abdirazak, the lottery wasn't just a dream. Rickshaw drivers in Mogadishu face daily danger. Many have been killed under unclear circumstances. Few ever see justice.
A future promised, a life taken, and a journey that never began. Thank you for watching, and this is Somali Reports.